Hello everybody, it's Jay Something here and I'm very, very excited because I'm doing a wicked 4-week campaign with UCOOK. It's a 4-week journey which includes you and I and a lot of good food. My food is all about my story. My story is Portuguese and South African. Mash them together, mwah, delicious. I'm a wannabe chef, I'm a home cook, just like you guys. And what we want to do together is to take your food to the next level. So this is where we're going to be cooking from, is from my cookbook, but UCOOK and I, as you can see, we've been busy. We've remixed it a little bit because we know what you guys like. The 4-week journey is my favorite recipes from the book. It's all about great food, sharing with friends and family.